Hey, you too. BG Rides, man. So we're gonna go out for a ride today. Elvis is gonna meet me here. We're gonna go out, run out to park, Flaming Geyser Park. See how these bikes do on a couple windy roads. It's cold as hell today too, but we got some good tunes.
Things I know keep me from being.
I'll put that on as a song for the video. But anyway, Elvis just got his F6B and he loves it. Wants to go riding all the time, which is cool for me because I love riding with him. But anyway, we'll come back in a little bit and talk to you later. Actually, kick back, relax, turn off the news, watch a couple old farts ride bikes. Ah, there he is. Look at that gorgeous bike.
I was out on a drunk. I was wild enough to shoot at. Too high to hit, too low to try. Try as I may, have good intentions, natural born heathens, love backsliders wine, brothers and sisters. That would be bourbon, that'd be about the furthest thing that I need. All my born days, I ain't never been decent at hiding the demons I'm hauling in me. Too often I reach for things I know keep me from being all that I can, like a man.
Okay, we stopped off down here at Flaming Geyser, and these guys got some badass looking little remote control helicopters. They're not so little. Look. So this one looks totally customized.
Well, this is a Goblin. This is a Goblin, and that's a style, a maker of the helicopter.
Ah.
We've got several others too in the van, ranging from 500 size, 700, 380, and they classify that by the length of the blade.
Oh, okay.
700 millimeter, 380 millimeter.
Is that carbon fiber?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yep, it's all carbon fiber, all aluminum.
GoPro and teach you how to stick.
Hello.
Are you shy?
Come here.
Are you going to be shy today?
Come here. Come on.
It's okay. Come on. Good
Come on.
girl.
Come on, Claire.
She's a rescue, so she's a little timid at times.
Oh. Hi, Claire.
Good girl. Yeah.
Hi.
Come here.
Okay, the helicopter and that dog was cool. We're gonna go check out the rest of the park.
There are things I recall, there are things that are hazy, there are things that just shame me.
No, just, where are we at? What is this place?
This is like the golf course, or
Yeah.
Druids Glen Golf Course.
Druids Glen. This is nice.
We're just out riding our bikes.
Oh, really? Oh, that's your bikes over there?
Yeah. Then
Yeah.
we get a drink.
Yeah.
Drinks are inside.
How you guys doing?
Hey.
Was that three of you, or was I just seeing things?
No, just
Oh,
two
of
of
you.
us.
Okay,
Yeah.
wow. Okay, yeah, I guess I'm seeing things. So any drinks I can get started for you guys? So many great options. We're in happy hour now, luckily, so.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
What's hot? You got anything that's hot?
Tea, coffee,
Coffee with,
Bailey's.
Yeah.
Coffee nudge.
Bailey's coffee, yeah.
Yeah, you know, I'll do the same.
Bailey's coffees, yep.
Thank you.
There's things I can't change, try as I might.
All right, Elvis and I are giving this place 2 thumbs up. Total cool place. Come get a drink, play golf, swing the mean stick. Anyway, we're gonna get back on the bikes and ride a little bit. Okay, we got a serious question here. We need to know on Elvis's bike, what are these 2 pads? These 2 right here. These 2. Does anybody know what that is? Put it down in the comments. Tell us what that is.
I was out on a drunk, I was wild enough to shoot at, too high to hit, too low to try. Try as I may, have good intentions, natural born hate.
Turn right.
Love backsliders wine, brothers and sisters. That would be bourbon, that'd be about the furthest thing that I need. All my born days, I ain't never been decent, hiding the demons I'm hauling in me. Too often I reach for things I know keep me from being all that I can, like a man.
Thanks for coming with us. Elvis took off to go home. I'm gonna go home too. Stay safe and see you guys on the next ride.
There are things I recall